Welcome to the vibrant pulse of Chicago, your home away from home. June Home's 60,608 student accommodation. Nestled in a vibrant neighborhood buzzing with young professionals and students, June Home's 60,608 offers newly refurbished 4-bedroom shared apartments with amenities that are thoughtfully crafted with students in mind. Step inside the furnished bedroom and experience the thoughtful fusion of hardwood flooring and high ceilings along with comfy bed, study station, spacious closet, and recessed lighting. When it comes to cooking, the fully equipped shared kitchen along with dishwasher, microwave, refrigerator, and oven make it easier. But here's the best part, just a 9-minute drive and you're at Rush University and admit more. And the University of Illinois is at your fingertips. And with a plethora of eateries and picture-perfect moments at Foxglove Coffee and Olive Garden Italian restaurant just a stone's throw away, every day is an adventure. Catch buses from stops across the street or take a 10-minute drive to the Western subway station and explore the city, where jaw-dropping architecture shadows your path. Your Chicago sanctuaries awaits. Book your home today at amberstudent.com and let the Windy City welcome you to a new chapter of adventure and growth.